It's been a while since I've done a Almost Daily Dividend Pie update, so let's dive straight into it right here. So, welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't seen a Almost Daily Dividend Pie update, then I'll give you a quick summary of what it is. So, it's a pie on trading 212, which has 50 holdings. So it has 50 companies in its pie, and then pretty much you invest into it. It gets separated or split into the 50 companies, and then dividends. You earn dividends pretty much almost every day, like as the title says, almost daily dividends. It works out to be a dividend every day over the year, but you might get 6 dividends in one day and then nothing for that week. So overall, it covers a dividend every day over the year, but you won't get a dividend every day, let's say, going forward. But we'll go into the holdings, what holdings it has, but let's have a look at the overall pie itself. So last month, I missed last month's video, or the month before. If I don't invest in it that much, then I don't really do a video on it because not much have changed. But this pie, I invested £600 into it last month. So if you are OG of the channel, I started this channel at the start of the year, and the only time I can invest into this pie is when I earn money from social media. So if we look at my history, and you can see here £600 was added on the 25th. It is currently the 28th by my watch. So yeah, YouTube paid me £600 this month. So that went straight into this pie. So I was just under the £2,000 mark. I'm currently, now I've invested £600. I'm now up to 2,500. But the pie is currently down 4.58%. So that's a total of £117. So that's why you see that that total is a lot less than what I've invested. In total, so like I said, I've started investing into this pie at the start of the year. Since being invested, this is the total I've gained so far in the last 10 months. So I've earned a total of £27 in 10 months. So that's what's been reinvested, and I've got £1.33 sat in my account waiting. With this pie, unfortunately, the minimum you can invest is £50 because there's 50 companies. The minimum you can invest is £1 into each company. So that cash will sit there and keep building until it hits £50, or you invest. If you invest £50, this cash gets added onto your investment, so it gets reinvested. And yeah, my goal for this pie is to hit £100,000. I don't know how quick I'm going to make that. Like I said, it is literally just by using funds that I make from these videos. So please hit this like button so we can funding this pie and see what results it brings going forward. Also, if you want to join this pie, the link I will put in the description box below for you guys, so you can jump over and start investing into this pie. So let's get into the holdings. So like I said, 50 companies, pretty strong companies. So like Microsoft, Apple, Realty Income, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, MasterCard, Procter & Gamble, McDonald's, JP Morgan, IBM, Bank of Montreal, Lowe's, Walmart, Main Street Capital, BlackRock, Starbucks, Prospect Capital, Stag, So they're all pretty decent companies. They all pay dividends, and they're all solid companies in this pie. So let's have a look, see which is the lowest one so far. So we got 13% down, 16% down for T Row, 24% down. So I think that is the biggest loss of this pie so far, or this month going forward. Where's it gone? Here we go. AGNC investments currently down 24%. So that is £13.57. So that is the biggest downfall from this pie. Now let's look at the biggest earner. So we got a 4, a 6%, a 9% here, 11% in the health industry. So the biggest earner this month is Cardinal Health, which is currently up 11%. So that's the biggest earner and the biggest loser for this month. So Cardinal Health 11%, and then the loser is AGNC at 24%. So that's big difference in that pie. So yeah, as you can see there, all highs and lows puts me at a down of 4.58%, which is a total loss of £117. So just wanted to do a quick video for you guys just to give an update on my Almost Daily Dividend pie, because like I said, it's been a while since I've done one of these, but hopefully this gives you an insight into the pie, how it's looking going forward, and if you are new, then what the pie entitles, how it works, etc. There will be another video coming out soon with my main investments. So as you can see here, my Ultra, Avira, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Realty Income, etc. So as you can see there, I've got £12,000 in my main investments. This is just a drop in the ocean. But that will be coming out next week sometime. Obviously, when the month ends, I will do a recap on last month's earnings. But before we get into this, I will show you the dividends and how it works. So, dividends. So, like I said, dividends, they come out kind of daily, almost daily. So yesterday I got 2 dividends. As you can see, it's pennies. 25 pence there. Bank of Nova Scotia, 57 pence. That's pretty decent. 25th of October, as you can see there, we got 4 dividends on one day, but obviously in overall, that's basically 4 days of dividends right there. 1 pence, not so good. 20 pence, 14 pence, 11 pence. 23rd, 5 pence. Prospect Capital, 34 pence. 10, 12, 20. 38, Main Street, that's different. 14, 25, Realty Income, again, that's separate. But you can see they're all pennies, but overall they all add up. So even though that is my biggest loser, currently down 24%, still paid me 43 pence overall. So even though it's down 24%, it's still paid me dividends pretty much every month. And Ultra, that's a nice little income right there. That got reinvested back into it. But that's just to give you an idea of how the dividends look and how often they come. So yeah, 10th of October, 11th of October, 12th of October, 13th of October, a load come out. 16th of October, a load. 19th, 23rd, 25th, I got a couple. And yesterday, I also got a couple. So you can see every couple of days, I just keep earning money going forward. And I just keep adding up in this cash and just keep building. So the goal is, if every company can pay me £1 in dividends every month, then pretty much every month that will just keep growing, £50 every month, plus what I invest monthly from what I earn on social media. So hopefully this video, helped you. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my monthly update next week.